So is it the start of something bigger? Let's ask Trivariate's Adam Parker. He's here with me on set at Post 9. It's good to see you again.
Thanks for having me.
Rare up day when you're here. Just throwing that out there.
Yeah.
So it's nice to see you today. I'm sure everybody's happy you're on. Are you a believer in it or no?
I mean, not in like a 3-month view, I'm not. I mean, we could always get a few more days of a rally here or there, but there's no question that conditions are slowly deteriorating for the economy. So when prices go up a lot and conditions are deteriorating, it's hard to say I like it more now than I did 3 weeks ago. I think that'd be tough. Don't
Earnings sort of say that it's not deteriorating as fast as some people thought, including you?
Not really. So far, what have we really, the bulk of S&P earnings, as you just alluded to, are the next 2 weeks. We had a bank-heavy set of earnings, insurance, some metals. It's not really the bulk of the economy. I think what you led with and teased with is industrials and tech coming and more consumer after that. I think they're going to be better barometers than just the banks, which are a little bit more, loan growth interest rate plays. So I think you'll see slightly deteriorating news on the earnings front over the next 2 weeks.
Do you think next week's going to be disappointing for big tech?
I don't think it's going to be great. I don't think it's going to be great.
Well, how good does it have to be?
There are a lot.
Aren't we learning that? Like, it doesn't have to be amazing. It just doesn't have to be, a train wreck.
If you sit here today and you say, do I think the market's going up 10% over the next 3 months or down 10%? I don't know. I'm like,
oh yeah, what do you think the risk is?
I think
more?
we're like plus 10, minus 10 over the next 3 months. So like, do I want to buy something where I'm plus 10, minus 10, 50-50 chance? Or do I want to, be a little bit more conservative? So I don't think it's time to get super excited with a rally here that's not really based on anything other than some dream the Fed's going to get dovish when they're probably not going to.
What if they don't have to get dovish, but at least have what Mike Santoli coined earlier, which I thought was well said, was a two-way conversation. It's been like a one-way conversation, almost on autopilot, and now you've got some people coming out daily. We don't just keep going at 75 basis point increments. She said today you had the story that was in the Journal earlier that, okay, maybe they go 75 in November, and then they figure out how to message that they go 50, and then we'll see.
What I've been focused on, and like investors have been asking us all week, the last 2 weeks, we just published today, is there anything that looks good now with prospects to 2023 that's really below where it was in 2019? Like if you kind of say it's October 19, you didn't know there was COVID, you're looking out in the future, now you compare. So we put out a list of some buy ideas, sort of 15 or so ideas that we thought might make sense, right? Whether it's PayPal, right?
I have those in front of me.
Whether it's Visa, right? Like you get the research, right? I forgot.
Well, I have it in front of me.
Well,
PayPal's
you're
got
welcome.
PayPal. Thank you.
Yeah.
PayPal's gotten destroyed. Is that why you like it?
Yeah, we just published it today saying the estimates for 2023, and maybe they're all too high, are for 75% higher earnings and 100% higher free cash flow in 2023 than in 2019, and the stock's below where it was 3 years ago. So I'm just trying to find ideas that, I'm not a believer like the train's left the station, we've hit the trough for forever and it's gone, and that was kind of where you started the conversation. But are there individual names that are starting to get maybe more and more attractive that even if the numbers are 10% too high next year, are probably pretty good businesses?
Well, do you think
that's kind of where I am.
Do you think rates have topped? I mean, because don't tell me to buy a PayPal or any other tech names if you don't think rates have topped.
I think it's a second derivative question, not a first derivative one, right? Like, in other words, are they going to raise rates at the rate they were? Is the perception about hawkishness going to increase? Probably not. I think CPI will remain stubbornly high, as I've said once a week on this channel for the last 6 months. I still think that's the case just because of the owner's equivalent rent. But I like that phrase. I agree with you, Santoli, if you said that two-way conversation. I think that's a fair way of phrasing it. What I worry about holistically for the market, though, is that just when I want that price-to-earnings ratio to go and expand like crazy because the Fed gets a little more dovish, that's right when the earnings are going to be declining a little bit more than people think.